In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted meeting in Outlook. We'll use Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. Click the official Outlook website in the results. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account to reach your inbox. Once Outlook opens, look to the left sidebar and select Calendar. This switches you from Mail to your Calendar view, where all your events and meetings live. To demonstrate recovery, we'll quickly delete a meeting first. Find any meeting on your calendar grid that you're comfortable using for this test. Right-click the meeting to open its options menu. Choose Delete. Outlook may ask you to confirm, especially if it's a meeting with other attendees, because deleting can send a cancellation. Go ahead and click Delete again to confirm. The meeting will disappear from your calendar. Right after you delete it, watch the bottom of the screen. Outlook shows a small pop-up notification with an undo option. This pop-up is your fast track to recovery, but it appears only for a short time. If you navigate away or wait too long, it will fade, and this quick recovery method won't be available. While the pop-up is visible, click Undo. Outlook instantly restores the meeting to the exact date and time it was scheduled, including its details. You should see it reappear in your calendar grid right where it was. Note that the Undo banner usually stays on screen only for a few seconds, and it can be easy to miss if you're scrolling or switching tabs. If you want to get comfortable with the timing, practice with a non-critical test event so you know exactly where the message appears. Also, whether it's a personal appointment or a meeting invite, the undo action brings back the title, time, location, and notes just as they were. A couple of tips to make this process smooth. Keep your eyes on the bottom banner after any deletion so you don't miss the undo prompt, and avoid clicking around to other pages until you decide whether to undo. If the item involved other people, remember that restoring quickly helps keep schedules aligned and avoids confusion. That's it. You went to Outlook through Google, opened Calendar, deleted a meeting, and then recovered it using the undo pop-up. This simple habit saves time and prevents accidental losses. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay these steps whenever you need a quick recovery in Outlook.